Welcome to the walkthrough of Notion Content Creator OS, your all-in-one system to plan, schedule, and organize content with ease. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to get the most out of every feature. Let's jump right in. The main dashboard gives you a clear overview of everything. On the left, you'll find quick action buttons for adding content on the fly, followed by the navigation menu with links to every page in the template. On the right, your scheduled content is displayed in a weekly calendar and list view. Below that, there's a gallery of your active social media platforms, a board showing all content you're currently working on, and lists of your most used topics and hashtags. Back on the left, you'll see pinned contacts for quick access to your collaborators, and just above that, a view of all currently running campaigns. The first page is the Channels page, where you'll see a gallery of all the social media platforms you're tracking. Below that, you'll find key metrics and performance stats across each channel. Inside a channel, you can add your profile link and track followers, likes, comments, views, and engagement based on your published content. Further down, there's a full overview of your posts on that platform, sorted by status. And at the bottom, a calendar shows all scheduled and published content for that channel. Next is the Contents page, your main hub for managing all your content. At the top, you'll see content grouped by status, topic, and content type. Below that is a calendar showing all scheduled and published content across every platform in one place. At the bottom, there's a detailed board view of all your content, organized by current status. Inside a content page, you can enter key details like content type, platform, post link, schedule and publish dates, and post-performance data like likes, comments, views, and engagement. You can also link related topics and hashtags. At the bottom, there's a writing space with a pre-built layout tailored to each content type, making creation and editing smooth and efficient. There are multiple content templates to choose from when creating a new content. Next is the Schedule page, where you'll see all posts waiting to be scheduled, as well as content that's already scheduled but not yet published. Below that, you'll find both weekly and monthly calendar views to see your entire content plan at a glance. Then there's the Idea page, a space to store post ideas you might want to bring to life, grouped by topic, content type, and channel. Now let's look at the Topics page, which is divided into two sections. At the top, you'll see your most covered topics, and below that, a full list of all the topics you're tracking. Inside each topic, you'll find your related content grouped by status, along with a calendar showing scheduled and published posts for that topic. Next is the Hashtags page, which follows the same layout as the Topics page. At the top, you'll see your most used hashtags, and below that, a full list of all tracked ones. Inside each hashtag, you'll find an overview of your posts and a calendar view showing when they were scheduled or published. Now let's take a look at the Campaigns page. At the top, you'll see all your currently active campaigns. Below that, there's a timeline view to visualize your past, present, and upcoming campaigns, followed by an overview grouped by status. Inside a campaign, you can set the status, start, and end dates, choose which channels it's running on, and assign a goal the campaign is meant to achieve. Further down, you'll see all related posts, grouped by status, and a calendar showing scheduled and published content for that campaign. And finally, we have the Contacts page, a space to store all the key people you work with in your content creation process. At the top, you'll see your pinned and most important contacts, just like on the main page. Below that is a full list with contact details. Inside each contact, you can store info like their photo, phone number, email, and the brand they're associated with. And that wraps up the walkthrough of Notion Content Creator OS. You can grab the template using the link in the description and start organizing your content like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tools, creator systems, and in-depth guides.